Welcome to the Nexus 2 Help Guide. In this video, we will be talking about how to use IMU Blue Thunder sensors in Nexus 2.8. We will be discussing how to update the firmware on your sensors, the new IMU tab within Nexus 2.8, the import function for data collected through IMU Research, and lastly, showing the new collection modes within Nexus. In order to use the IMU Blue Thunder sensors within Nexus 2.8, you will need to update the firmware on your sensors to version 1.3. To update the firmware, open the IMU Research App on any iOS device. When choosing your sensors for a new trial, you will be prompted to update the firmware. Once the update is complete for both sensors, before we collect a trial, we'll rename our sensors to left and right. While we're within IMU Research, we'll go ahead and collect two trials so that we can show the import feature within Nexus 2.8. Before we can download the onboard data, we need to export the sync files by swiping left on the trial name, and in this case, I'm going to export to my Google Drive. On my computer, I'll navigate to the folder where I exported my sync files. They will show up as zipped folders, and I will just extract them in this location. Next, we'll plug in our Blue Thunder sensors via USB and open IMU Lightning on our computer. We'll navigate to the bottom of this list to find our most recent trials. I'm going to click on Select Sync File and navigate to the location where I placed my sync files. I know this first trial is Run 01, and I'm working with the left sensor, which I can see by the trial name and the sensor serial number. I'm going to click on Select All to make sure that I download the entire trial. I'm also going to place my saved data into the same location as my sync files. Once we've downloaded all of our data from Lightning, we can open up Nexus. We'll navigate to the new IMeasureU tab. The right-hand side will find the import feature. To import a trial individually, we'll navigate to the folder that contains the data for the left and right sensor. We'll give our trial a name and click on Create Trial. We'll navigate to our second trial and once again click on Create Trial. If we now navigate to Data Management, we see two trials that contain the data from both our left and right sensors. We can also import multiple trials at once. If we go back to the IMeasureU tab, and this time our source file, we select the root folder that contains subfolders for each of our trials. And we'll check Create Files from Subfolders. Once again, we'll click on Create Trials. and navigate back to the Data Management tab, where we see two trials, both containing the left and right sensors. With Nexus 2.8 and sensor firmware 1.3, we now have new collection modes where we can collect 9-axis data at 500 Hz and 3-axis data at 1000 Hz. We will collect a few short trials to show the IMU transfer within Nexus. After collecting the trials, I'll plug my sensors in via USB and navigate to the iMeasureU tab. If I click to expand under the sensor name, I can see each trial contained on board. I can then click Transfer Files to transfer the data to the Session folder. Once I've successfully transferred all of my data, I'm going to erase the selected devices to clear the storage on board. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about your hardware or software, please do not hesitate to contact us at support@vicon.com.